Hi guys, back with me again in this channel. On today's video I'm gonna show you how you can change the video ratio in CapCut. So it's actually pretty easy. You just need to import your video, and here at the tools at the bottom you can just swipe until you find the format feature. Just click on that, and here you can see there are so many ratio that you can choose. You can just choose which one that you want to use. For example, I want to change it into like a square one, so just click on the square, and after that go back and click on the video so that it fits the format. So go like this, and you can just drag it, swipe it until it fits the center, for example. And yeah, that's basically how you can change the video ratio. That's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click on thanks, like this video, leave a comment if you have any question, and also subscribe. I'll see you all in the next tutorial. Bye.